The first step is to add your clips into Capcut. Tap Speed, select Custom and use these settings. Then apply the same speed to all the clips. Now we have the velocity on all the clips. Tap Overlay and add a white background. Rotate it 90 degrees and fit it to screen. Split and delete the excess parts. Now go to Blend and select Overlay. Add 3 keyframes, one at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end. On the first keyframe, reduce the opacity to 0. At the middle, increase the opacity to 100. And at the end, decrease the opacity down to 0. Between the first 2 keyframes, tap Graph and select Ease Out 1. And between the last 2 keyframes, tap Graph and select Ease In 1. Now copy it multiple times on all the clips. So here's the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and much love I got for you. Peace.